Road School.
Acknowledge and recognise the Yorta
Bagarain and all First Nations.
people as the traditional custodians
Of the land where we live.
Learn, teach and play.
We acknowledge their connection.
Country, water and sky.
We respect their nature.
For sharing their rich history.
and culture with us.
We pay our respects
To the ancestors and the elders who gone before us.
stand with us today.
and who will continue to lead us into the future.
Good morning everyone and welcome to our end of term assembly. It's been a fantastic first term for 2022 and I'm so proud of all of you who have been absolutely fantastic learners. I really wish you a lovely holiday, have an awesome Easter and we look forward to seeing you again next term. Thank you.
Term 1 has been an exciting time of learning. All of our students and staff have shown incredible resilience and flexibility to move between on-site and remote and flexible learning early in the term, and they maintain continuity of learning amidst ongoing COVID restrictions and limitations. Students, their families, and all the wonderful Verney Road staff should be so proud of what they have achieved. Students have embedded their understanding of our school expectations of be safe, be respectful, be responsible, and be a learner, and are always trying their best to demonstrate these across all environments, whether this be learning in the classroom or outdoor spaces, playing in the yard with their friends, attending community access, or participating in community activities such as sailability and Meals on Wheels. Thank you to everybody for their wonderful efforts this term.
We have 4 outstanding early years awards. Our first award is Be Safe. This goes to Kayla Tell for always following the rules to be safe when using equipment appropriately by packing away and listening to instructions. For being respectful, Cody Foley for always using his manners when asking for something and being respectful to everyone across the school. Being responsible, Sarov for being responsible when on community access and following expectations. And being a learner, Sam Dove for learning to follow instructions, waiting for his turn on the swing and requesting help using his words and manners.
We would like to congratulate Jason as the recipient of the Kiwanis Award. Jason is a responsible student here at Verney Road who is always caring for his friends and peers and always willing to lend a helping hand. Jason is always willing to try something new and give everything a go within his learning, both in the classroom and other learning environments. Jason is respectful to the ideas and values of other students as well as classroom and school equipment. Jason follows all school and classroom rules to ensure that not only himself but his peers are always feeling safe at Verney Road. Well done, Jason. We are very proud of you.
Okay, Jason, here's a sticker for your photo to put up on the wall, and congratulations on being a terrific kid. I'm sure you're a worthy recipient. Well done.
Hello everyone, and now it's time for the Outstanding Achievers in Upper Middle Years. The first award for being safe goes to a wonderful student called Patrick Stinson. Patrick has been safe when going for morning bike rides with Dawn. He's able to follow the teacher's instructions and has shown that he's able to stay with the group and wait when he is required to. Well done, Patrick. Keep up the great work and keep kicking those goals and bowling those students out in cricket. Well done, Patrick. The next award for being respectful goes to James Morehouse. Well done, Jimmy. This term, James has been coming to class and greeting staff and students appropriately as he arrives and leaves to go home. He has been following our instructions and sharing laptops with other students in the classroom. He has been awesome to have in the class this term, and we're all so proud of everything you've achieved. Well done, James. The next Outstanding Achiever Award is for being responsible, and it goes to Destiny Masters. Destiny is such a responsible member of the upper middle years cohort and can always be counted on to follow our school's expectations. She sets a great example for other students. Destiny is a kind and caring student who supports others to do the right thing. Congratulations, Destiny. What a wonderful term, and we love seeing your friendly face at school each day. And the next award for being a learner goes to Carter Healy. Well done, Carter. Carter has done a fantastic job of extending his learning. He continues to impress us with his writing and maths and is always looking to try harder each lesson. He encourages and helps other students in the room with their learning, showing great leadership skills. Carter is always happy to have a go at new things and has gained some great confidence in his learning this term. Well done, Carter. We're proud of everything you've been able to achieve.
Elvis has shown a lot of maturity and improvement in all areas this term. He has been respectful and responsible with his words and supporting others to make these choices. Elvis has kept safe by improving his time within the classroom with the group. Elvis has shown great interest in his learning this term and worked with all staff well and with great independence when working on his passion project about crystals.
Okay, the Outstanding Achiever Awards for lower middle years. The Be Respectful Award is going to Hamish Johnson Campbell. This award is going to Hamish for the respectful way he greets staff and completes their requests. Well done to Hamish. The Be Responsible Award is going to Will Sleeth. Will is very responsible. He stays with the group when we move around the school. He helps keep our classroom clean and tidy and helps other students. Well done, Will. The Be a Learner Award goes to Caden Carr-Solway for being an amazing learner and always completing his work to the best of his ability. Congratulations, Caden.
Saba Alkazane is our Kiwanis terrific kid. She consistently meets all school expectations, demonstrating an eagerness to learn more and push herself to be the best she can.
The Outstanding Achiever for Be Safe is Ben Moore. When participating in learning activities, Ben always follows the safety expectations. During work-related skills, he consistently wears his PPE correctly and follows instructions. He is a leader in the classroom and supports other students to be safe. The Outstanding Achiever for Be Respectful is Mitch McKay. Mitch has been really respectful inside and outside the classroom when interacting with adults and peers. He has been completing all his learning activities and participating actively in class. The Outstanding Achiever for Be Responsible is Corey Doherty. Corey has shown initiative every class and is always ready to start his work. He is respectful to staff and asks questions when he is uncertain. Corey has also begun to form great friendships within the senior years cohort. The outstanding achiever for Be a Learner is Mohammed. Mohammed has shown excellent enthusiasm and engagement during all lessons this year. Mohammed has demonstrated great effort to learn about work safety, obtaining a car licence and travelling overseas. Well done, Mohammed.
Tarkan Grundy. Tarkan has displayed an excellent attitude since starting at VRS this year. He participates in all learning tasks and shows respect to all teachers and students. He is safe when participating in the hot food group and is consistently responsible for his belongings and organising his responsibilities.
And today we'll present Terrific Kids Award to Tarkan.
Together we learn, together we play, together we can do it to find a better way. We'll learn together to be strong, to find a place where we belong. Together at Verney Road, the journey never ends. Together we learn, together we play, together we can do it to find a better way. We'll learn together to be strong, to find a place where we belong. Together at Verney Road, the journey never ends. Together at Verney Road, the journey never ends. Together at Verney Road, the journey never ends.